Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this channel I'll walk you through the code which we ran in the last tutorial, and we'll see what all of these things do. Okay, starting from the line 1, this is nothing but it is a directive to the C preprocessor. It begins with a hash, okay, um, and are processed by the preprocessor before the program is compiled. It basically tells the preprocessor just to include the contents of the standard input output header. Okay, it is nothing but a library inside C itself. Okay, and this is again a library. We'll discuss about whole of these things, headers and libraries. .h it represents it as a header. We'll discuss about headers later in a whole different tutorial. For this tutorial, it is just keep in mind that it is necessary to include all the input output. When you execute your input output, you need this library. Okay, and coming to this is called a function. Okay, and function itself is a big concept which again we'll take later, but for now keep in mind that this function main here, this is very much important. See, when you write a program, the first thing the compiler looks for is the this thing, the main method. If you don't have the main method, your program won't work. So make sure that main function is there. Okay, and int basically represents integer, and it just says that it is returning an integer. Integer are just the values, uh, whole numbers 1 2 3 4. Okay, and this one from this braces to this braces. Okay, and these are just opening and closing braces which you need to tell it that the body of this function is this one. Okay, this is from left braces to these statements to the right braces. Whole of this is called a block. Okay, and the next it is the printf. Printf, it is nothing but it just tells the computer to print out whatever is within these double quotes. Okay, it doesn't check whether the spelling is correct or what you have written. It just gives out whatever is written. This whole thing, it is called a statement with the semicolon. Okay, this is called a statement, and semicolon must and should be there after the end of every statement. Okay, if you don't put this one, it will show an error. Okay, like if I try to execute it now, there'll be an error. It shows an error. It shows what it shows is a line before it. So if I put a semicolon here, and it'll go now. See, okay, yeah, hello world. Okay, so this basically tells the computer to print out whatever is within these blocks, and these are called character string, a message, or a literal. It can be anything. Okay, and yeah, and this one, it is nothing but it just tells to go to a new line. For example, if I cut it from here and if I paste it here, it'll just show it in a different line. Hello in one line and world in another line. See, hello in one line and world in another line. Okay, uh, you can do it, you can add as many as you want. Okay, it's just slash with an n now. Okay, see here, hello world, all in a different line. These are called escape sequence. Okay, there are a bunch of escape sequence which I'll walk you through that. Okay, one was the new line which you just saw, and another one is a tab. It's the same, put a slash and a t, it'll give a space of one tab. See, it'll give a space of one tab. Even though I didn't give a space, slash t means it'll just give a horizontal tab, moves the cursor one tabs and stops. Okay, and then okay, now if you want to include a slash itself within your I can say a message, then what you have to do is you should just add another slash and it will include a slash. There you go. And in case if you want to include a double quotes within your statement or the message, then just use a backslash, the slash and the double quotes. It will include the double quote. So yeah, there you go. Okay, and another, it's one of my favorite, where you get a sound. Okay, okay, alert sound. I hope you can listen to it. Okay, I'll increase my speaker volume so that you hear it. Just build and run it, and I hope you can listen to that. I hope you heard that small beep sound. So yeah, these all are called escape sequences. As many as you add, see now, two beep sounds. It doesn't provide any space or anything between those, but it'll just give out a beep sound with the text which you have entered. Okay, so for one last time, these are nothing but the libraries which you have to include, so that input output, this, or it will print out the output. For these output, you'll need standard input output library. This is a function, these are statement, and return zero, nothing, it means nothing but it just says to the computer that the program has ended successfully, and this is called a block. Okay, so if you have any doubts, please leave a comment below, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.